Today we are going to make a video of class 4 chapter 5 logo 2, but this is my humble suggestion and submission to my humble viewers. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for science, computer, mathematics and yoga videos. Now in this chapter logo 2 chapter 5 class 4 hands on class 4 logo 2. Here in this chapter we will mainly discuss about understand the use of following logo commands: HT, ST, PU, PD, PE and repeat. Draw various shapes and drawings using logo. Appreciate and use logo as a computer language. Now let us start. Hi Dogo, how are you? I hope you must have enjoyed using logo commands and drawing various shapes in logo with the help of logo primitives. This is logo primitives. Dogo: yes, Mr. Turtle, I thoroughly enjoyed working with logo primitives and drawing various shapes taught by our mathematics teacher. I have drawn triangle, square and rectangle. I also tried writing my name using logo primitives. It's actually fun using logo. Now I can proudly say that I have completely learned a computer language. Here we will mainly discuss about language of the computer. Turtle: I guess note 8 there are still some more logo commands left to be discussed. Dogo: oh really? Could you please help me learn rest of the commands as well? Turtle: sure, my pleasure. I will discuss some more logo commands, but before we start discussing further, would you like to play with me? Dogo: oh sure, Mr. Turtle. Tell me which game. Would you like to play hide and seek with me? It will be a great fun. What is the meaning of hide and seek? Dogo: sure, let's try to understand here what is the meaning of hide. If you are not knowing, you can see dictionary, and in dictionary you can see meaning of hide. Now Dogo: sure, let us play. Dogo: to play hide and seek with me, you need to use ST commands and press the enter key. When you will use ST, I will become invisible. Hide turtle HT. This command hides the turtle. Syntax HT. Hide turtle HT. Observe the figure shown above. After typing ST, turtle is not visible in the figure. It means not visible. This is what? It means turtle has hide. Dogo type the following commands as shown in the screenshot. Dogo: find me if you can. I am invisible, but I can move anywhere on the screen. Dogo: oh turtle, how can we see you again? Please come out. I give up. I cannot find you. Hi Dogo: you mean I have won the game? If yes, type ST and press enter key. Show turtle ST. Here show turtle ST. This command will make the turtle reappear on the screen. Here turtle will reappear on the screen. That is ST. Observe the picture shown below. After using st command, turtle is again visible after using st command. Hands-on activity. Here, hide turtle and then type the following commands to draw the required shape. After the desired shape is drawn, guess the location of the turtle. Using st command, find out the exact location of turtle. Here, you have to find exact location of the turtle. I have drawn this thing here and this thing here. Now next thing, Dobo. Oh, my turtle is turning and moving but not drawing anything. Don't worry, Dobo, let me check. Oh, my pen is up. Dobo, what do you mean by the pen up? Dobo, it can be assumed that I am holding a pen in my hand to draw. When I move, I draw a trail behind me with my pen. Sometimes it is required that I should have but do not draw. In that case, logo primitive pu can be used. Pen up. This command lifts the pen up. This command will move the turtle but will not draw anything on the screen. Syntax pu. This is amazing. Now what if I want to put down the pen again? Pen down. This command puts the pen down and allows turtle to draw again. Syntax pd. Pen down pd. Here you should keep this thing in your mind. Pen up pu. Pen down pd. By default, the turtle is in pen down condition. By default, what is the turtle is in pen down condition. Always this will be in the pen down condition. Now activity, this thing you have to rewrite, and here you have to write how many times pen up 13, how many 2 and 1 lifted the pen 7 number of times. Here cursive writing, it is method of writing, easy method of writing. Here pu, this is correct. Here also yes, no, here yes, and here type the following commands. Here you have to type and then to know about the command. Here in this question number 4, pu will not draw anything on the screen. Pd allow turtle to draw. Here Dobo, use cs command to clear the screen. You know cs clear the screen. It will clear the whole screen. I want to rub only the extra line, not my whole drawing. Mr. Turtle, is it possible to erase only some part of a line or a drawing? Don't worry, friend. Type the following 2 more commands to correct your drawing. PEBK50. Thanks. I am amazed by the use of PE commands. Please tell something more about it. This command is like eraser. Eraser, you know. You are using eraser, which is used only to erase some part of drawing. If you want to erase some part of drawing, what will you use? Eraser. Pen erase. P, keep this thing in mind. PE, pen erase. This command does the work of an eraser. PE will work of an eraser. The P command is used to rub, erase any portion of the drawing. Don't forget to put the pen down with PD command after using pen drive. Here PEBK40. Here in this figure PEBK40. Here you have to write First students have written like this. If you want to write, you should pause the video and you are able to write. Second students, 4 number of times fd command used, 4 number of times rt is used. Here second students, 4 number of files fd command is used, 3 number of times r is used. Dobo to draw a square. I need to write the same commands again and again. Mr. Turtle, I used following commands to draw this square. Here, this command is used to draw this square. To draw this square, I typed total 8 commands, out of which pair of two commands fd50 and lt90 is repeated 4 times. I have already discussed this thing about fd and lt in chapter 4. I wish there could be some way so that I don't have to repeat these commands again and again. It's boring, besides the chances of error increases when some commands are typed repeatedly. I guess I can grant this wish as well. I can tell you a logo command which can be used as a shortcut in place of repeated commands. Dogo, oh really? You are like a genie to me. Please tell me the command. Repeat command. Here, now regarding repeat command. This is used to repeat the commands n number of times. Syntax: repeat an instruction list. This will repeat the instruction given in square brackets n number of times. Repeat for fd, 50, lt, 90. It means 4 times this will be repeated. Now activity. Here C, repeat 3 fd 50 lt 60. To make a square, Dogo use the following command: 4 fd 30 lt 90. Yes, fd. Do you know, repeat 360 fd 1 rt1. We can decrease a and increase b to make a smaller circle, but the product of a and b should be 360. Here try the following commands. You have to try. Here repeat 6 fd 50 rt 360 by 6. Here you are seeing here sides 1 2 3 4 5 6. How do you write? Repeat 6. Sides are 6, so 6 fd 50 rt 360 by 6. You know here total angles are of 360 degree. So what will you write? 360 by 6. There is 7 sides, so divide by 7. Repeat 7. Repeat 8. Here there are 8 sides. 8 by 8. Now you can understand this question. How do you write? Here repeat 360 fd1 rt1, a1 side. Here in this figure, this thing here, this thing here match, and this thing you are seeing. Write the commands to draw a 10-sided figure. How do you write? Repeat fd 50 rt 360 by 10. You know, you are knowing how do you write. Here write the full form of the following commands. I have already discussed about this thing. pd pen down, st hide turtle, pu pen up, st show turtle, pe pen erase. You may pause the video and you are able to write all questions and answers. Once again, this is my humble submission to my humble viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for science, computer, mathematics and yoga videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.